Well, folks, I didn't push the right buttons on the camera there the first time I got this going. This engine hasn't been started in over 40 years. It's in a Corbin 39. It's a universal diesel 5432. It's a 32 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. We changed, well, the oil was empty of oil, so we added oil, put a new oil filter, put a new fuel filter, primed everything, got her set up. It took a few cranks, and then it finally started firing a little bit. And but we got it going. I'll just fire it up again for you right now. Just make sure the exhaust is all nice and cool here. Yeah, exhaust is all cooled off. Give her a little bit of throttle here. So we got some other video on our other camera, but it may not be as good as this one. But we'll give this a try. So, anyways, here we go. Give her the glow plugs here for a few seconds here. And we'll crank it over. Well, it needs more glow plug, I guess. Let's just make sure we got some throttle there. Okay, should be good there. So she fired right up for us there. Anyways, have a good one. Bye for now.
Click.